with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
Well, good morning, everybody. Happy Wednesday. A little different look and feel coming our way in the forecast. No 50s out there this morning, but we have a bunch of 60s. I think we're going to climb up into the middle 80s in more spots today. And then tomorrow morning, a lot of areas are going to be closer to 70s. We're increasing the humidity a little bit. We're going to increase the clouds and the shower chances a little bit. And I do see a little green on the radar this morning. Maybe a couple of better chances for showers up near Dothan, Alabama, trying to move east into parts of South Georgia. And we've seen a couple of little sprinkles for parts of Wakulla County and up against the Taylor County coast. We'll see how many of these showers are able to hold together early. This is the past 3 hours worth of motion with those showers. It's not a lot of rain, but it's certainly going to be enough to make those roads maybe a little bit slippery outside. So especially for parts of Wakulla, southern Jefferson, southern parts of Taylor County, maybe you want the umbrellas with you this morning. And I think over the next few days, having those umbrellas handy might be a good idea. 67 our temperature in Tallahassee this morning, 66 in Valdosta, and we're at 64 in Thomasville. We're going to see a lot of those numbers more tightly grouped together and not as breezy out there for today. We're slowly starting to change the wind direction. We're slowly starting to change that air mass. And as we bring in more warm, more humid, more muggy, we're going to notice not only more clouds, but yeah, more of those shower chances. Around the region, I don't see any numbers in the 50s. Close, Homerville's at 61, but Wakulla High School's checking in at 70, Apalachicola's at 76. And yesterday we had all those dew point numbers back in the 50s. Today, mostly in the 60s, and I think these are going to keep climbing up. Remember, the dew points are how we measure how much moisture is in the air. Dew points that start to increase tell us there's more and more available moisture. Got all that moisture off to the west. Those remnants of Tropical Storm Beta, no longer with the tropical flavor, but that moisture is going someplace, and it's going to spread more to the east and to the north over the next few days. That's where our humid comes from. And with higher pressure that's been bringing us all the cooler and drier, sliding out into the Atlantic, this is going to have free reign across the southeast to spread that moisture, give us better chances. And we're talking about scattered showers here, not all day nonstop steady rains, not the tropical rains they've been dealing with in parts of Texas and Louisiana, but certainly better chances than we've been seeing to get wet. And I think especially in those afternoon hours when you crank up the instability a little bit. On the Gulf today, winds out of the east and southeast 12 to 22, seas 2 to 4, maybe 5 feet. So a little bit breezy out there still for the boaters. We'll finish up the high tides a little before 7:30. The sun comes up right around 7:30. 60s going to become 70s, going to become 80s quickly. Today I want to keep those rain chances around 30%. Today is not the wet one, but it's going to get a little warmer and more muggy. Tonight it stays even more muggy, and a lot of us closer to 70 tomorrow morning. Notice how those rain chances increase more and more Thursday, Friday. That unsettled look and feel looks like it's going to be here throughout the upcoming weekend.